Hello everyone, Ramya, Assistant Professor of CSC Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, subject code CS3352, Foundations of Data Science, Unit 4, topic Structured Array Data Manipulation with Pandas. Structured Array. It demonstrates the use of NumPy structured arrays and recorded arrays which provide efficient storage for compound and heterogeneous data. NumPy data types. Here B means it is a byte.np data type of B. I means signed integer, U unsigned integer, F floating point, C complex floating point, S and A string np dot data type, U Unicode string np dot type. That means if we have several categories of data on a number of people, say name, age and weight, and we would like to find out the values for use in the Python program. Now we are going to see the creating structured array. It can handle this through structured arrays, which are the arrays with compound data types. It creates a structured array using a compound data type as specified as data equal to np dot zeros of 4 comma data type name, age, weight. For that name, you are going to specify the Unicode data type. I represents the integer 4. For weight, definitely you will get some decimal point. For that purpose only you are using the floating point. If you are using print of data dot d type means you will get the similar result. The next one is using Boolean masking. It allows to do some more sophisticated operations such as filtering on any field, and then created structured arrays. In that, first we are going to see the dictionary method. Using this method, you can able to do the name, age, weight. Likewise, you can able to do. The next one is numerical type can be specified with the Python type means np.d type of names. Okay, in that what are the data type you want to use, you can use the data type, or for the name you will use different data type, for age you will use, for weight also you will use. Like for the list of tuples, specify the types alone. Next we are going to see the data manipulation with the pandas. That means pandas is a never package built on top of NumPy and produce an efficient implementation of a data frame. Data frames are essentially multidimensional array with attached row and column labels and often with heterogeneous types or missing data. In particular, its series and data frame objects built on the NumPy array structure and provides efficient access to these sorts of data tasks that occupy much of a data scientist time. Now we are going to see the introducing part about pandas object. Pandas objects can be thought of an enhanced version of NumPy structured array in which the rows and columns are identified with the labels rather than simple integer indices. It provides a host of useful tools, methods, and functionality on top of the basic data structures. Three fundamental pandas data structures are the series, data frame, and index. Now we can see one example for pandas data series object. Data equal to pd dot series of 0.25, 0.5, 0.75, 1.0. The first value is placed in the 0th size. The next value is placed in the 1. Third value is placed in second. Fourth value will be placed in third. Likewise, data type dot float 64. Why you are using the float means here you are using the decimal point. So only you are using the data type as float. 64 means its size of the bytes. Next, we are going to see the pandas data frame object. The fundamental structure in pandas is the data frame. The data frame can be thought of either as a generalization of a NumPy array or a specialization of a Python dictionary. Data frame as a generalized NumPy array. It is an analog of a two-dimensional array with both flexible row indices and flexible column names. Just as you might think of a two-dimensional array as an ordered sequence of aligned one-dimensional columns. Here also we have some data frame constructing frame objects, that is from a single series object means it represents the single column data frame can be constructed as a single series. Next one, from a list of dictionaries, from a dictionary of series objects, from a two-dimensional NumPy array, from a NumPy structured array. Thank you.